FVR goes to Abu Dhabi! Let's go! Ay, bilis na dilim ako. Hi, Ma'am Ro. Ayan, our FER manager. Ayan. So, Ma'am, how does you feel na magpa-open tayo ng branch ngayon sa Abu Dhabi?
Well, I'm super excited to finally, this day, mag-open na tayo sa Abu Dhabi and mas marami pa tayong makikater na clients. Ayun, especially yung mga clients natin from Abu Dhabi na gusto talagang makita or ma-meet yung mga agents nila. So yun, super excited and I hope that you still continue to, tawag dito? Support us. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Hi, Ma'am Joyce! Ayan, so, as our Visa Coordinator, how does you feel po na mag-open na tayo finally ng ating branch or ng FVR branch sa Abu Dhabi?
Yeah, siyempre super excited dahil mas excited din ako sa mas maraming visa na pwede pa natin i-apply.
Ayan, thank you so much, Ma'am Joyce!
Thank you!
Ma'am Ka! So, as our team leader, supervisor, ayan, how does you feel po na mag-open na tayo finally ng branch natin sa Abu Dhabi?
Ayun, yes, super excited po ako na mag-open ng Abu Dhabi. At eto nga, papunta tayo ng Abu Dhabi ngayon. Excited ako makita yung office natin. At syempre, feeling grateful kasi part tayo ng company na to, di ba? Let's go Abu Dhabi team!
Thank you, Ma'am Ka! Hi, Ma'am Ja! Ayan. So, Ma'am, as our accounting, di ba, sa Fast Sarat, how does you feel po na mag-open na tayo finally ng branch natin sa Abu Dhabi?
So excited talaga, Miss Crazy. Wow, Miss Crazy. Excited po and more sales.
Ayan. Thank you. See you in Abu Dhabi. So guys, we're almost there. We're almost in Abu Dhabi. Ayan. So, we're going there para ribbon cutting ceremony for our new office or for our branch sa Abu Dhabi. So, may mga travel agents na po na nag-aantay doon and they're currently waiting for us to start the celebration. Ayan. See you there! Papasok ko. Ma'am dito po. Ay, saan ba? Go. Maganda pa selfie.
Ayan, video muna. Parang meron.
O, diba? Kasya tayong lahat, buong FVR.
Kaya nga.
Sige, pasok kayo dyan sa sliding.
Wow!
Ay, awkward.
Dito na dito mo. Ba't may kamulang kayo, ma'am?
Kamusta ang first night niyo sa Abu Dhabi?
Okay naman, actually.
Hi, Hi, good afternoon everyone, and finally we reached Abu Dhabi and we are here today in Hanging Garden Tower dahil dito nga po located ang bagong branch or office ng Fast Visa Run. Let's go, pasukin natin! So yun guys, we're done with the ribbon cutting ceremony. Nagkaroon kami ng short program doon sa mismong office namin sa Hanging Garden Tower. And now we are here at Mukbang Shows. Ayan, with the team. Kuya, close the door.